Hi, my name is Sam Streeter, and I'm a fourth-year PhD student at the Thayer School of Engineering at Dartmouth. I'm originally from a rural community in Wyoming, where there are almost as many pronghorn antelope as there are people. I attended public school there through high school, and then I went to Dartmouth for my undergraduate studies, where I majored in engineering. I spent my free time running trails throughout the Upper Valley and exploring the White Mountains, and I still love to do those things. I simply fell in love with New England, and I decided to stay at Dartmouth for graduate school. Now I study biomedical imaging, and I work in the Center for Imaging Medicine, which is a collaborative hub of engineers, researchers, and physicians all working together to develop new medical imaging tools and methods. The laboratory I work in is based at Dartmouth-Hitchcock Medical Center in Lebanon, New Hampshire. And so I have this phenomenal opportunity to work really closely with both my engineering faculty as well as medical school faculty. My research focuses on breast cancer. Breast cancer is the most common type of cancer in the world, and it is frequently treated by surgical removal of the cancerous tissue. The problem is that it's difficult for the surgeon to completely remove that cancer during the first procedure. And it's difficult because the cancer is hard to see, it's hard to detect. And so what happens is a large number of patients have to go back to the hospital for additional procedures to be completely cured from the disease. And my research focuses on developing new imaging techniques that could be implemented during the surgery to help guide the surgeon during the procedure. If we can do a better job at detecting cancer on the edges of the tissue that's removed from the patient, we can inform the surgeon to completely remove the cancer during that first surgery, and that will save patients from having to go back to the hospital. I absolutely love the research that I do, and that's because it's really hands-on and it's also very visual. I'm also inspired by the idea of working towards helping people who are sick with cancer. I spend a lot of time tinkering with cameras and projectors and other electronic components. I also design and fabricate different parts for my systems using 3D printers, for example. I also love that my research requires me to think creatively and to work as a team with other researchers and physicians. I'm very excited to be a part of the SEPA program this year, and I look forward to meeting all of you. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you soon.